Hey, Mar, are we on?
You are.
Hello, Barbara Ann.
I'm not going to make a YouTube out of this. We're just sending it to her.
Oh, hey, Barbara Ann. Thanks for your message. Now, we haven't got exactly what you had before, but we've got choices, so come see. Yeah. So, we have got...
Just dug all this stuff out.
Yeah, I've been fishing under the table.
The chair's going to go.
Right. So, this is the Akoya that you had before.
Right.
Okay. And this is 42 millimeters. What is it in inches, More, because I can't do inches. Just over 1.5 inches, is that?
Yeah.
So it's just over 1.5 inches. So they will still stand. I could do them at that and put a little slant on it or something like that, or put a little bar at the back maybe.
To keep it standing up.
Yeah, but it should. I mean, obviously that's standing.
You could put like a square foot at the bottom.
Yeah, I could do something.
Well, she was talking about needing something. Okay. She was talking about needing something to hold it that wasn't a screw. So if you put a little rectangle at the back with a cut in it so that she could wrap, it would also keep it from falling backwards, and she could put the thing in it. Do you know what I'm saying?
Well, let's show her the wood. So that's
okay.
So that's the one you had before, but it's not as thick because the one before was 50, so it's 8 millimeters smaller, which I don't know what that is in inches, like 1/4 of an inch maybe.
Yeah.
Smaller than the other one, right? So that's option one.
Which is only a problem when it gets tall, because then does it fall over, right?
Yeah, so it's how stable it is. We could do some tests, I guess, on that.
Yeah.
But so that's that, all right? So I've got this much of that, right? I think I've probably got some more somewhere. Now,
I have some in the drawer over here, but not.
I have got
extra large pieces.
This is also the Akoya, but it's been through the planer, so it's cleaner looking.
Yeah.
So, but I don't know if you want it to look more rusticy.
Rustic, yeah.
But I've got quite a bit of this.
It's also not 50, is it?
No, but that's 35, so that's even less. However, we can do a thing of gluing them together like this one. We've got 3 lots glued together. Now that's 55. But when you cut it at an angle, you do see the join.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if that's something you're interested in, or we could do it on a have it more of a sort of chamfer rather than a curve.
A triangle.
Like a triangle cut out. That's an option. We have got this stuff.
Red Grandis.
This is Red Grandis.
Or is that Moranti?
No, this is Red Grandis. This engraves really nice. Where's that?
The Marriott.
I know.
The Marriott thing. It's back there.
These, yeah, we made some for the Marriott. Excuse
you
my
in your
legs.
rugby outfit.
I've been to rugby.
You're all
with muscles. I'm all muddy. Right, so when it's engraved, this is how it goes. When it's been engraved and it's been oiled, okay? So this is before, watch the bicycles. There you go, do a little bit before and after. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So that's before and that's after, look. Okay.
This is going to get really difficult to send. We're going to need to...
Right, last one. We have got oak.
Oak, yeah.
English oak. And we could use this. I've got this in big chunks and I can cut this down to size for you. And, well, English oak is beautiful.
Put them all together. I mean, the
And
thing is, when you use natural wood, they all complement each other.
Yeah, we can have a mixture.
So it's not that they all have to match. I mean, when you do paint, you kind of want the paint to blend. But natural woods, you could use each piece for a different piece of jewelry, because they bring out the different highlights in different pieces. Anyway, this is what we can do. We're not really sure did you want the 100 by 100 6 set? Because we also have a smaller one of the
50 by 50.
It's 50/50, yeah. 100 by 100 is like basically a coaster size, 4 inches by 4 inches.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're sending you this, and here we are. We miss you.
You let us know.
Okay.
We'll make something happen for you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.